everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you all how to log in into Threads account. Without any further ado, let's get right into our video. The first thing we're going to do is open our Threads app. Here, as you can see, right after opening your Threads app, you'll be able to see option login with Instagram and your Instagram name written on it. If that's the account that you want to use while logging in into your Threads, then you can simply tap on it. If that's not the account that you want to use while logging in into your Threads, then tap on switch account that is located below. After that, here you'll be able to see all the Instagram accounts that you have created. Here you want to use the Instagram account that you have used while creating your Threads account. If the Instagram account is not listed here, you can tap on login to another Instagram account written below. From here, you'll have to fill in the information of your Instagram account. Once you have filled in the information, tap on login. And here, as you can see, you have successfully logged in into your Threads account. That was an easy step-by-step tutorial on how to log in into Threads account. Thank you for staying till the very end of this video. I hope this video is helpful for you. If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe. Have a good day.